sometimes we come across negative values for z. In that case, directly this table should not be used. First, negative value of z should be converted into positive. For that, the formula is phi of minus z is equal to 1 minus phi of plus z. Once this has become positive, you can make use of this table. Clear? It's negative, directly this table should not be used. I want to find out now phi of minus 2.266. Since it's negative, I need to make this into positive first. And to convert this into positive, what we do is 1 minus phi of 2.266. Outside I am doing 1 minus. So automatically this becomes positive. Okay. Now, once this is positive, I can make use of this table to find its value. So starting with 2.2. In this column, where do you come across 2.2? That is here. And next decimal is 6. So in the same row, where do you come across 6? Here. The value is 0.9881. After 6, what decimal do you have? 6. So in the same row, where do you come across 6? Here. The value is 2. So add 2 at the end. So this will result in 3880 point. So this is the value for this one, 0.9883. Okay. We have not yet got our final answer. We get our final answer by doing 1 minus this. So that is nothing but 1.0000 and 0.9883. So here 0, 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 9, 0.0. So this is the final answer of this one. Okay. Second, I want to find out phi of minus 1.219. This is negative. I cannot make use of this table directly. So negative should be converted into positive. How can I do that? By doing 1 minus phi of 1.219. To convert this negative into positive, we should do outside 1 minus. Okay. Now, we'll find out this value by making use of this table. Now, first is 1.2. In this column, where do you come across 1.2? Here. Next decimal is 1. So that value is 0.8869. Next decimal is 9. So in the same row, where do you come across 9 over here? 9 is here, the value is 17. So add 17 to the last digits. So how much will it give us? 9 plus 7, 16, 1, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 0 point. So value of this that we got from the table is 0.8886. Okay. Still we did not get this answer. To get this answer, I should subtract this from 1. So that will give me 1.0000 and 0.8886. So here 0, 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 6, 4, 1, 1, 1, 0. So we got the answer to be 0.1114. This is the answer for phi of minus 1.219. Okay. I want to find out now phi of minus 0.153. This is negative, directly table cannot be used. So this should be converted to positive by doing 1 minus phi of 0.153. I am making this into positive, that is the reason why I am subtracting from 1. Okay. Now to get this value, I make use of table. Now 0.1, in this column, where do you come across 0.1? Here. Next decimal is 5. So in the same row, where do you come across 5? And the answer that you have at 5 is 0.5596. Next decimal is 3. So look for 3 in the same row. At 3, I have a number 12. You should add that 12 to the last digits. So 6 plus 2, 8, 10, 6, 5. So this answer is 0.5608. Okay. To get our final answer, I should subtract this from 1. What will it result in? So 1.0000 and 0.5608. So here 0, 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 8, 2, 9, 3 and 4. So final answer that we get is 0.4392 is the answer for phi of negative 0.153. Okay. I want to find out now phi of minus 0.966. It's in negative, directly this table cannot be used. So this negative should be converted into positive. And to do that, we should do outside 1 minus. Only then this negative gets converted into positive value of z. Okay. Once this is positive, I can get this value. Once z value is positive, I can get phi of this by making use of this table. Okay. Now, first what do we have? 0.9. In this column, 0.9 is present over here. Next decimal is 6. So in the same row, where do you come across 6? 0.8315. What is the next decimal? 6. So continue in the same row. Where do you come across 6? 15. Add 15 to the last decimal, last digits. So 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 8. So this is the answer for phi of 0.966, which is 0.8330. To get the final answer, I should subtract this from 1. So that is 1.0000 and 0.8330. Here it is 0 and here, so 0, 9, 9, 10, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 8, 1 and 0. So final answer that we get is 0.1670 for phi of negative 0.966. I want to find out now phi of minus 2. Z value is negative, directly this table cannot be used. So first make z value positive. To do that, we do outside 1 minus phi of 2. Negative became positive since we did 1 minus. Now to find out this value, I make use of table. Now, here I have only 2. That means I can write that to be 2.000. Now, look for 2.0 in this column. Where do you come across it? That is present over here. Next decimal is again 0. So, in the same 0 is present here in the same row, its value is this one, 9772. Next decimal is 0. Here we don't have 0, so I can avoid this. This I don't need to consider. So this is the answer for phi of 2, which is 0.9772. Okay. To get final answer, this needs to be subtracted from 1. And how we do that? So 1.0000 and 0.9772. So here 0, 9, 9, 9, 10, 8, 2, 2, 0. So we get 0.0228. The answer for phi of minus 2. Okay.